Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see delete query in SQL. How this delete query is used and what are the uses of the delete query in SQL we are going to discuss in this complete video. We are requesting you to not skip any point of video so that you will not miss any piece of information about the delete query in SQL. So what is the use of delete query? The delete statement is used to delete existing records in the table. So that is what the one information which is mentioned here, and also you can also delete the complete table. So delete query is used for two things. One is for deleting the existing records from the table, and also you can delete the table from the SQL server itself. So how this is used, and today in this video we are going to see how delete statement is used to delete particular records from the table, not the whole table. Okay, now we understood what is the use of delete statement, what are the two methods we are using to delete statement, and today we are going to see the delete statement in deleting the records. To delete these records we need some syntax to write the query, right? So what is the syntax? We'll see that the syntax will be the same. Use the delete keyword, and from the table name where which table name you want to delete the record, and give the where and give the condition. So it should meet the condition to delete that particular record or multiple records from your table. Okay, let's jump into our practical example. So on continuation to updation part, we are continuing with our delete query. You can see our table have two things. One is Rohit Sharma and King Kohli as our two data sets. Now what I am going to do is I am going to write a query for deleting the record from the table. Delete from Indian players table. Okay, and so where I want to delete, where jersey number which is equal to 18. So I want to remove Kohli from the team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it from the record. I'm selecting it, running the query. It says one row affected, which means our query is executed without any flaw. And I'm selecting this line and executing it, and you can see our data for Virat Kohli is removed from our table, which means that particular record is removed from the table where it meets the condition of jersey number is equal to 18. If you have multiple records which have the jersey number of 18, it will automatically delete everything also. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us through our comment box. We will happy to assist you in all the time. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from our channel. Thank you.